Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing. In this channel, I will guide you on how to design inspirational user interfaces and teach you good practices in design that will lead you to better user experiences. I will divide the content of the channel into two parts. We will do live designs which you can follow through step by step and learn together. And lastly, I will be doing short videos that will teach you how to design small components like cards, buttons, navbars, and many more. This channel is for designers, developers, and anyone aspiring to learn how to design. In this channel, I will be using Figma as my main design tool. The reason for this is because Figma is a cross-platform tool. Figma can be used on Windows, Linux, and even Mac. Welcome to Collins Kreation.